Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple calendars on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Calendars app. Tap on the Calendars option on the bottom of your screen. Here, tap on the Add Calendar option from the bottom left corner of your screen. From the options that appear, select Add Holiday Calendar option. Now you will see a list of countries. Tap on the country whose holiday calendar you want to use. Finally, tap on the Add button located at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can use multiple calendars on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.